Yeah, Robert?
She doesn't look too good, does she?
No, mate, she doesn't. I need you to come with me.
Okay.
On the 3rd of January 2023 in Ballina, New South Wales, police received a 000 call from a passerby reporting a man bashing the hell out of his woman behind the Salvation Army building. The caller didn't leave a name and said he only heard the attack, not saw it. Unfortunately, due to a misunderstanding, officers only checked a nearby laneway and didn't search the side courtyard, just 600 metres from Ballina Police Station. At 12:30am the following morning, CCTV shows 66-year-old Robert Carl Huber walking into the police station. He told officers his partner was unresponsive. Officers returned with Huber to the courtyard beside the Salvation Army building. There they found the body of Lindy Kimmy Lucena.
It's 19 off in Dolgan Road.
Hey, Robert. My name's Andrew Stewart, mate. I'm from Ballina Police, alright? My body-worn camera's running, so the conversation and what we're saying's been recorded, alright?
I know.
Righto. Now, your partner is... what's... Lucinda...
Yeah, Lindy Lucena.
Lindy Lucena. Whereabouts? You said she died?
Our place. Turn right here.
Yep.
Fights in Churchill Crescent, Casino across the Queensland Road.
Jump on out, Robert. Robert, were you with her at the time?
Yeah, I was asleep myself. I only woke up.
Huber claimed he awoke from a nap to find her deceased. However, when questioned about the visible injuries to her face, blood on his shirt, and bruises on his knuckles, he offered no plausible explanation.
Yeah, Robert.
She doesn't look too good, does she?
No, mate, she doesn't. I might need you to come with me.
Okay.
Robert, you had anything alcoholic to drink tonight?
No.
Any drugs?
No.
Has Lindy?
No.
Okay. Mate, we were called to a domestic incident here a couple of hours ago.
You were called here a couple of hours ago.
Yes.
There was no domestic incident.
There was screaming heard coming from this sort of area.
Oh yeah, we had an argument.
You did have an argument?
Yeah.
How long ago?
I can't recall. About 2-3 hours ago.
Righto. Robert, my name's Senior Constable Stewart. I'm from Ballina Police. From this point, mate, you don't have to say or do anything if you don't want to, but anything you do say may be recorded and may later be used in evidence. Do you understand me?
I understand.
Okay. The blood on your shirt and the blood on your hands, mate. Can you explain to me how you got it?
It's my blood.
It's your blood.
Yeah, I booze easily. I always have.
There's no cuts on you, mate.
Too, I easily booze.
She's got blood all over her face, mate. Can you explain to me how she's got blood all over her face?
No, I don't.
Bruising to her face?
Sorry?
There's bruising to her face, around her cheekbones and her eyes?
I don't know.
What we're going to do, mate, your hands and the blood that's on them, we're going to have them forensically analysed. I'm going to need you to come out with the truck with me.
Okay.
What we're going to do, mate, we're going to put some bags over your hands and tape them up, alright?
Okay.
Come with me. What we're going to do, mate, we're going to take some photos of your hands, alright?
Sure.
Now you said you bruise easily, Robert.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a cut or anything on your hand, mate?
I do have a couple of cuts on my hand. Here, there. There.
Just flip your hands over, Robert.
Can you explain to me, Robert, how you got the marks on your knuckles?
Probably be working hard all day.
A broken heart all day.
Working hard.
Right. What do you do for work?
Well, we've been trying to clean up our property so we can take it into storage. Officer, look, I don't care what you think, but why else would
Well,
I come?
you know what I think, Robert, don't you?
No, I don't know what you're thinking, but why else would I come to you to report this incident if I had something to hide? Simple as that.
Righto, Robert. We're going to need one hand in here. Wrap as tight as you can. Yep. I think we'll be fine, mate. I think detectives will be on their way. Righto. Robert. Mate, my name's Senior Constable Stewart. I'm from Ballina Police, alright? The time's now 1:21 a.m. on Wednesday the 4th of January 2023. I'm placing you under arrest for the suspected murder of Lucindy Lucina. Do you understand? From this point, mate, you don't have to say or do anything. But anything you do say or do, mate, will be recorded and may later be used in evidence. Do you understand? Righto. I'm going to help you to your feet. Climb in, Robert. Righto. You drive, mate. That'll do, buddy. Get out, Robert. Thank you. Into the right. Take a seat in the centre. I'm going to maintain, just make sure he doesn't fuck with his bags. Yes, please, mate, that'll be good. Time of arrest was 1:24.
Medical experts later determined that although Lucina died from heart complications, the stress of being severely assaulted may have triggered her death. The Supreme Court heard their relationship was turbulent, with repeated incidents of abuse and control. Witnesses, including family and friends, described Huber as aggressive and volatile. The pair had been living in a caravan park before being evicted due to Huber's violent behaviour. On the day of Lucina's death, the couple were seen moving their belongings to the Salvation Army Courtyard, where they planned to sleep. Several witnesses recalled seeing Lucena with a black eye and overheard the accused yelling at her earlier in the day. One witness even saw Huber give Lucena $40 to go shopping shortly before her death. Just after 7 p.m, a woman walking past noticed a female lying motionless inside the courtyard, and a man crouched nearby swearing. When she asked if everything was okay, the man grumbled back, "Yeah," before going silent. By the time police arrived later that night, Lucena had died. On the 8th of July 2024, Justice Stephen Rothman found Huber not guilty of murder, citing insufficient evidence that Huber intended to kill Lucena. However, he was found guilty of manslaughter, with the court acknowledging the serious assault contributed to her death. Sentencing is set for September in Lismore. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check out our Patreon channel for more.